Today, we're going to learn how to express I have a cough, starting with the word cough. 咳嗽. Please repeat after me. 咳嗽咳嗽咳嗽 Let's say them faster. 咳嗽咳嗽咳嗽 Therefore, I have a cough is 我咳嗽 Let's pretend that we're really having a cough. 我咳嗽我咳嗽我咳嗽 Let's practice what we have learned so far. Please repeat after me. Review 复习复习 Ouch 哎呦哎呦 I have a headache 我头疼我头疼 I have a bellyache 我肚子疼我肚子疼 I have a stomachache 我胃疼我胃疼 I have a toothache 我牙疼我牙疼 Let's pretend that we're having a cold by squeezing our nose gently. Achoo! 我感冒了 Achoo! 我感冒了 Now let's pretend that we're having a cough. 我咳嗽我咳嗽 I will spend lots of time and effort into making these videos. Please give me a thumb up or share. For previous lessons, please search 11 Dreams Go-Getter Sabrina or Learn Chinese with Sabrina, No Boring Grammar, or visit my website at www.11dreamsgogetter.com.